Who can resist the allure of a cool, inviting swimming pool on a hot, sunny day? Picture a group of kids, their laughter and chatter filling the air as they gather around the shimmering water. The sun beams down, warming their skin and casting a lovely glow on the surface of the pool. Imagine the thrill of diving in, the world above disappearing as they plunge into the cool depths, bubbles dancing around them. The water is their playground, a realm of endless fun and possibilities. The day is filled with exciting activities. There are water slides, sending the kids down a slippery path and into the pool with a big splash. Floaties bob in the water, a colourful spectacle as the kids play and frolic. Every splash, every giggle, every moment of fun is a precious memory in the making. The swimming pool is more than just a place to cool off. It's a haven where kids can let loose and be themselves. It's a place of freedom, where they can dive, swim, and splash to their heart's content. It's a place of camaraderie, where friendships are formed and strengthened. As the day draws to a close and the sun begins to set, the kids look back on the day with a sense of joy and fulfillment. They've swum, they've played, they've laughed, they've had an unforgettable day at the swimming pool. So, if you're a kid looking for a cool summer adventure, take a leaf out of their book. Find a swimming pool, dive in, and let the fun begin. Because in the water, you'll find not just a refreshing escape, but a treasure trove of joy and memories, just like our friends did in their swimming pool by the big oak tree.